Okay, so as part of our series on quoting, we're going to have a look at quoting uh, some ways in Excel to make sure that you get everything pretty cool and that. So I've just snipped a bit from the price list, which tells me down here 140 by 46, $12.20 a linear meter. Now it takes, we'll go to here. Right, so let's start off. So we're going to put in here the length of each one. Length. Put that in, and we'll go in here 0.8. Right, which they are. Now, the number. And we've got 6 treads, and for each one of those treads are made up of 2 of those. So that means we're going to have 12 of those. Okay, I'll just click here and make everything in the center, just makes it easier and neater. Okay, so now we want the total. So in linear, we'll go total, linear meters. Linear meters. And this is where it's interesting. So equals, that it's your formula going, and B4, 4, and you'll see that the little square lights up, as that's the one we want, and we use multiplied or asterisk by E4. And then hit enter. And there you go, you got 9.6 linear meters. So now we'll put in the price per one, and that is 12.2. Enter. Now we need the total price. So we go through and we go F4, 4. Oh, silly. Equals first. F4 times G4. And enter. And there you go, $117.12 total price. Right, now that price included GST. So what we need to do now is we'll go GST, and we'll go H4, 4 divided by 11 as per the taxation department. Oh, silly. Done it again. Equals H4 divided by 11. Okay, that's how much GST we paid on that. Okay, so we can claim that back. Now, the good part about this is I can come along here and I'll go copy, and I'll come down to here and I'll go paste. And I've got a new row, so now this one, I'm going to change the length, and I'll make that 0.9. And you'll see that it changes everything along there. And that's, I don't have to redo the formulas or anything like that. It just does them.